Hello piano enthusiasts, Jim here from GrassRootsPiano. If you are new checking out this channel, welcome. This is tiny lesson number 6. We're just going to get into it, and for reference, this is middle C for me, and I have a lot of videos beginner oriented, so if you're a little unsure about notes and stuff, reach out. I can set you all up for success. So this lesson, the skills you're going to gain is a little more rhythm independence, to be accountable, to internalize, to feel the music, and experiment with maybe pedaling, dynamics, or both. What else? Yes, the internalization and the dexterity, and then also being accountable, slowing it down. Remember, it's a process, it's a journey. It's not about learning piano just in 2 months or whatever a lot of internet gurus say. It's the journey, it's crafting, enjoying your time. I'm going to go ahead and start letting everyone know we're doing the A minor and then G position. So that's just down a whole well, start here, then down a whole step. So we have already done those in previous lessons. So that's a good warm-up. You might want to do this warm-up because this will be used in one of our rhythm kind of building blocks. So another warm-up, which we did, I think, last week. That's why I'm kind of going fast. All right, so I'm going to just play a little bit for you and then break it down. So, two, 3, 4. That's our rhythmic cell. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. But then we might add in a few other notes to harmonize it. So it's on the 1 and then on the and of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Here we're going to do the outers and the inner, which I believe I've done this before, but this is a really good exercise for the pinky or the 5 finger. So we got 1 and 2, 3, 4 to the G. And if you've been liking my lessons, please consider hitting the like button. Here, the left hand. 2, 3, 4. I'll play it a little faster. Now I will. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. Ready, I was adding the pedal to get a little more legato sound, but also practice different dynamics, because sometimes learners, when they play softer, they might get a little sloppy or they might slow down, so really make sure you're accountable with that. Time worth spent. It's really important to cultivate all the different textures that we can do on this beautiful instrument. So we'll call that pattern 1, and this one is very similar, but we're going to get some 16th notes going on our right hand. So we're going to do, I'll go slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so I'm thinking as I'm going, the right hand's all good. The left hand, I added a bit variance in rhythm, so I think we're going to just keep it. So we're going to go 2, 3, 4, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, okay? So I will just go ahead and break it down slower, so now I'm on the same page. Oh, when we're doing 16ths, a lot of learners will kind of think that way. Think, relax, think moving. Okay? And what happens when we get tense? We're going too fast. Our body, our mind, our muscles are not ready yet, so we can slow it down. 1. This isn't a private lesson, just giving some general tips that I've seen with many learners, all ages, for the last 30 years. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. All right, let me know if you're liking this. And since you're still here, bonus round, I'm going to give, we're going to arpeggiate. And this one's fun, but you might go too fast at first. I'm going to add a little more left hand notes too. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Adding the chord, the third and fifth. 1, 2, C and E, okay? And then back to the root, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, the right hand, what did I do? Let's see. Yeah, that'll work. We'll go slow first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, and 2. In this one, you can easily get discouraged because when we're doing 16ths, we're getting all those notes. It's the increments smaller. It's not that it's faster. It's smaller, shorter sounding within a beat. So it's very normal to tense up and play sloppy. But, oh, I'm playing 16ths, I can do it. No, you're gonna not get the right timing. So discipline, it's all about the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4. And this is where my business coaches say, this would be a good time to talk about the rhythm counts course, but I don't want to be a commercial. But I just did. We're all good, we're learning, we're playing. So we got 1, E, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, and. All right, not that tiny today, but hopefully you got value out of this lesson. And I'm going to end with A minor. I wish everyone well and keep practicing. This is definitely the time of year where students get frustrated and drop off. That's why I'm going to be making a video about continuation of motivation. Bye-bye. Take care.